Good morning, K2. It's a brand new week to learn. Happy Valentine's Day! I'm so happy to be with you today to celebrate Valentine's Day. Guess what day it is today? Today is Monday. That's right. And what day was it yesterday? Yesterday was Sunday. And what day will it be tomorrow? Tomorrow is Tuesday. That's right. And what month are we in? We're in the month of February. That's right. Can you help me read the date? Today is Monday, February 14th, Valentine's Day, 2022. Now, this is our reading, phonics, and letters and sounds class. Do you know how many letters are in the alphabet? How many? 26. That's right. And how many groups are they divided into? 2. What are they? The consonants and the vowel. And when you put a consonant and vowel together, it makes a blend. Now, are you ready? Super duper duper. How many vowels are in the alphabet? 5. That's right. What are they? A, E, I, O, U, vowel disco. A, E, I, O, U, vowel disco. And how many sounds do they make? At least 2. What are they? The short sound and the long sound. And when it's the short sound, we mark it with the happy face. Let's review the short sounds. Can you help me? A, apple. E, elephant. What does the elephant say? There you go. I, inchworm. A, ostrich. A, umbrella. Super duper duper. Now, are you ready? Stop. Look and listen. Let's review some consonants. The name of this letter is N. It makes a sound as in nest. N says The name of this letter is D. It makes a sound D as in dog. D says D. The name of this letter is J. It makes a sound J as in jar. J says J. So, let's say this again. The name of this letter is J. It makes a sound J as in jar. J says J. The name of this letter is W. It makes a sound W as in wagon. W says W. Super duper. Okay, so now it says up here, ABC 1, 2, 3, pages 89. So let's get our ABC 1, 2, 3 book out. And let's open up to page 89. And let's write our name at the top of the page. And it says, look at the letter at the beginning. Beginning means the first letter of each row. Say the name, which they are nouns, but name of each picture. Circle the picture which begin. So begin is the first with the consonant sound, okay? Are you ready? You know how to do this. Here we go. Nest, net, B. Does nest begin with the sound? Nest. Yes. Circle the nest. Net. Does net begin with the sound net? circle the net. B. Does B begin with the sound? B. No! Leave it alone! Okay, next one. D. Duck. Umbrella. Dog. Does duck begin with the D sound? Duck. Yes, circle the duck. Umbrella. Does umbrella begin with the D sound? No, leave it alone. Good job. Next one, dog. Does dog begin with the D sound? Dog. Yes. Circle the dog. Jump rope. Snail. Jam. Does jump rope begin with the J sound? Jump rope. Yes, circle the jump rope. Snail. Does snail begin with the J sound? No, leave it alone. Jam. Does jam begin with the J sound? Yes, circle the jam. Next one, watermelon, bat, wagon. Does watermelon begin with the W sound? Watermelon. Yes, circle the watermelon. Bat. Does bat begin with the W sound? No, leave it alone. Wagon. Does wagon begin with the W sound? Yes, circle the wagon. Very good. Now, we also are going to work with Writing with Phonics, page 4. So this is our Writing with Phonics book, and we're going to open it up to page 4. Okay, and what does it say? It says, circle the picture that has the short sound of A. What does the short sound of A sound like? Do you remember? Apple. That's right. So let's listen to the words. Cat. Cat. Does cat have that short A sound in it? Yes. Circle the cat. Next word. Hat. Hat. Does hat have the short A sound? Yes. Circle the hat. Comb. Comb. Does comb have the short A sound that says A? No, leave it alone. Okay, very good. And then it says color the pictures. What color are we going to color this cat? Orange. Meow, meow. What color are we going to color the hat? Red. That's right. What color are we going to color the comb? Blue. That's right. Very good. And then it says trace and write. We have lowercase a and capital A. You know how to write the letter A. You are amazing. Okay, and that is our reading phonics and letters and sounds class for today. It's been amazing learning with you. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.